Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing the best tips and tricks for designing and decorating a narrow living room. Whether you're dealing with limited width or just want to make the most of your space, these ideas will help you create a functional, stylish, and inviting room. Let's dive in. Embrace vertical space. In a narrow living room, vertical space is your best friend. Utilize tall bookshelves, floating shelves, or wall-mounted cabinets to draw the eye upward and create more storage without taking up precious floor space. This adds both visual interest and functionality, allowing you to keep the room organized while making it feel taller and less confined. Light and neutral color palette. When decorating a narrow living room, lighter colors are key. Opt for neutral tones like whites, soft grays, or beige to make the space feel larger and more open. You can add pops of color through throw pillows, rugs, or artwork to bring personality without overwhelming the space. Light-colored walls and furniture will reflect natural light, further enhancing the sense of spaciousness. Strategic furniture placement. The way you arrange furniture can make or break the flow of a narrow living room. Consider floating the furniture away from the walls to create better movement and make the room feel less like a corridor. Opt for slim, low-profile furniture that doesn't dominate the space. A sectional or a love seat paired with sleek armchairs is a great option to maximize seating without overwhelming the room. Mirrors for depth. Mirrors are a powerful tool when designing narrow spaces. Place a large mirror on one of the longer walls to create the illusion of depth and make the room feel wider. You can even create a gallery wall with mirrors of different sizes and shapes to reflect light and open up the space visually. Multifunctional furniture. In a narrow living room, every piece of furniture should serve a purpose. Invest in multifunctional items like ottomans with storage, nesting tables, or a coffee table that doubles as a work surface. These versatile pieces will help you maximize space and reduce clutter without sacrificing style or comfort. Area rugs to define space. Using an area rug is a great way to anchor your narrow living room and define different areas, especially if the space opens into other rooms. Choose a rug that fits the length of the room and try placing furniture partially on the rug to create a more cohesive layout. This will visually widen the room and make it feel more balanced. Clever lighting solutions. Lighting can play a huge role in how spacious your narrow living room feels. Incorporate a mix of lighting sources, including floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces, to create layers of light that add depth to the room. Avoid using bulky ceiling fixtures, as they can make the space feel more cramped. Instead, go for sleek designs that maintain the openness. Designing a narrow living room can be a challenge, but with the right strategies, you can create a beautiful and functional space that feels open and inviting. From smart furniture placement to using vertical space and mirrors, these ideas will help you transform your living room into a stylish retreat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips.